Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about how to get a job if you are a B.Tech pass out student and you are looking for a job, and how to create a roadmap for you to easily get a job. So uh, what I will explain here. First, the starting point, if you are looking for a job but I don't know how to start, where to start, and what all our technology it will prepare, so I should get a job, right? So I'll get a job then. So need a proper blueprint. We need to create a proper roadmap. Otherwise, might not be chance to get a job, might not be chance to onboard a job. Whether you're looking for DevOps, whether you are going to create a data science profile, if you are going to get a cloud engineer job, or if you want to be a software developer. So then how you will prepare, and how, what is the starting point, right? So in this area, I will give you a complete roadmap. Okay, so now let me explain all that is how we will prepare. So first, I would say, if you preparation start with Linux, that is good. We start preparation with Linux first, then any programming language, whether it is Python or Java, right? So if you are very good into or interested to learn any programming language like Python, Java, Go, any language, it's for your choice. So start with any programming language. Then try to learn one of the version control, that is called GitHub, or maybe some others in market like GitHub, Bitbucket. So many of the version control nowadays, but I would say start with GitHub, right? Whatever code you are writing, that you will push into GitHub, and whatever document which you are creating, that you can push into GitHub, so that your task will be uh, monitor and will be stored over there, right? So it should not be a mess up. Properly documented, whatever you are doing, effort should not be missed. So that's why you can sequentially you can mention your document along with your code, whatever you are practicing or doing. Now coming to networking parts. So networking, you should know some basic understanding of network. I'm not saying like you should be expert in networking. No, at least you should have some basic understanding of how networking work, how one system connect to other system, one mobile connect to other mobile, how server connection is being established. All that you need to know along with the protocol for the communication, right? So that you can have some basic understanding. Then you can start learning Docker. I mean containerization, like how to create a Docker image and all. Then to explore a orchestration cluster wise to deploy the Docker image in Kubernetes. So Kubernetes, the short form is K8 basically. So it's a platform to deploy a container. So if you'll explain, so definitely you'll get to know that all these terms in Kubernetes. And database, any database you can start with MySQL, PostgreSQL, Microsoft SQL Server, any database you can start learning, or maybe NoSQL DB. So you start with any database, right? Then you just learn the cloud computing, any of the cloud platform you can explore, whether GCP, AWS, or Azure. So any cloud you can start learning, right? In how we are provisioning the server, how the data storing in cloud, and how we are connecting to cloud. So you just explore, right? And also practice on that. So all cloud are providing the free trial, so you can take that advantage to activate the free trial, and then do some R&D. Then after that you can go to start with DevOps. So DevOps is nothing but like how we think can be automated. So how you have written a code, then how will deploy that into your server. So you just create a continuous integration and continuous deployment. So if you'll explain, you'll explore more into DevOps, what is DevOps. So definitely you'll get to know that why DevOps, right? So I mean DevOps you can think of like a development and operation. So both will be managed, and how thing can be automated to deployment lifecycle, to how you can quickly deploy any of the software or whatever the code you are writing. Then on top of security, we cannot ignore. So everywhere security should be in place. So you should ignore the security. So little bit explore about how you secure, how authentication, authorization, all that you need to know about that at least. How actually we are protecting, how we are getting access, how we are securing, all that. But the question is here. The point is here how to learn all these things. So you can quickly learn all this with help of AI. In this AI era, if you are not using AI to learn all this, so maybe you'll lose your time. So how quickly you learn all this with the help of AI. So just use AI to learn all this so that we can quickly learn, right? So one more thing I want to add here, if we are working with moving towards AI, we are moving towards cloud, then how the cloud infrastructure will be created. So we'll learn Terraform. So Terraform is nothing but this is a infrastructure as a code to build a resource to provision an infrastructure on cloud with help of Terraform code. How quickly you can provision a server, a machine, database. So whatever, like suppose think about the data center. So similarly in cloud you can create a data center within a minute with the help of Terraform. So little bit explore what is Terraform, right? So Terraform basically it will help to provision the resource on cloud. Now coming to AI stack. So everybody we are learning AI, ML, generative AI, agentic AI. So bit explore on AI area, and then you start the preparation, prepare a CV. So that should be ATS friendly CV. So its CV should be resume should be 1 page, and after that what we'll do, we'll just practice AI monk interviews. So basically does what does it means to AI monk interview. So for example, you are looking for data scientist profile. So data scientist profile related question will create for you. Then AI will ask you and you will give an answer. Similarly, for create a profile for DevOps engineer, software developer, and cloud engineer, if you are looking for this kind of profile, so you just interact with AI. AI will create a profile related question, and you can practice more and give the answer. So also, if you use AI practice this profile, so AI will generate a question related to this profile and create an answer for you as well. So just quickly practice that. Then finally, what we'll do, we'll apply the job portal to drop a mail to HR to to spread your requirement in your LinkedIn, your network with seniors, so that you can easily able to get a job if you will be upskill in this particular technology. If you are a recent pass out but you are not getting a job, so this roadmap will be helpful for you to get a job, right? So what I just what all our point I explain, if we stick into that and follow these steps as it is, so definitely you'll grab a job. We'll follow these steps, and if you learn all this technology, and if you'll follow this roadmap, so definitely you can onboard a job. So I hope this video will be helpful for you to get a job, and don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel to get this kind of video. Thank you. I'm looking forward to see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.